Henry Ussher, 1741–1790, was an Irish astronomer. Life. He was fourth son of Samuel Ussher, rector of Dunganstown, County Wicklow, by his wife Frances Walsh. Elected a Scholar of Trinity College, Dublin in 1759, he graduated BA in 1761, MA in 1764, BD and DD in 1779. He was elected to a fellowship in 1764 and co-opted senior fellow in 1781. Appointed on 22 January 1783, the first Andrews Professor of Astronomy, Ussher went to London to order from Jessie Ramsden instruments for the planned Dunsink Observatory. These included a small achromatic lens telescope mounted on a polar axis and carried by a heliostatic movement, an equatorial machine with circles 5 feet in diameter, a transit of 6 feet focal length, and a 10-foot vertical circle executed, after delays, on a reduced scale. Ussher chose the site for the observatory at Dunsink near Dublin, planned the building, and supervised its construction. Ussher's election as a Fellow of the Royal Society of London on 24 November 1785 followed shortly after the incorporation of the Royal Irish Academy, of which he was an original member. He died at his house in Harcourt Street, Dublin, on 8 May 1790 and was buried in the College Chapel. Works. Papers contributed by Ussher to the Transactions of the Royal Irish Academy included observations on the disappearance and reappearance of Saturn's rings in the year 1789. From the compression of the globe of Saturn he deduced a rotation period for the planet of 10 hours 12½ minutes. Family. Ussher married Mary Byrne and left 3 sons and 5 daughters. The eldest son was Admiral Thomas Ussher. Notes. Attribution. This article incorporates text from a publication now in the public domain. Lee, Sydney, ed. 1899. Ussher, Henry, d. 1790. Dictionary of National Biography. 58. London, Smith, Elder and Company.